Oh, hi, Nico. Good afternoon. My name is Dasa. I am a civil engineer from Queensland. I was looking for some construction companies in I think near Mackay area, and I came across your contact. And the reason for my call today is simply to find out if someone with my skill sets can benefit the company. So I have about a year of experience in site engineering. So who's the best person in charge of the hiring or recruiting from your company that I can talk to?
Just find out, if there's someone here that you can speak to. It won't be a sec.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hello, Dan speaking.
Hi, good afternoon, Daniel. My name is Dasa. I am a civil engineer from Queensland, and I was looking at companies in constructions near Mackay. That's when I came across your company contact. And I'm not going to waste your time, Daniel. The reason I'm calling is to find out if someone like myself with nearly a year of experience in my field as a civil engineer can be of some use for the company.
How much experience did you say?
Yeah, so I only have nearly a year of experience. I wouldn't say I have like extensive experience, but I'm a very quick learner, and in the past I have experience in design of buildings and concrete, and I also have a bachelor degree of civil engineering, which is accredited by Engineering Australia. And I'm
assuming your degree is not an Australian degree.
Yeah, but it's equivalent. Yeah, but it's assessed as equivalent to the Australia standard, and I can do AutoCAD, 𝗖𝗢𝗣𝗅𝗡. I can help with the estimation work, and currently I'm working on the 𝗕𝗢𝗣𝗅𝗍 software to brush up my designing skills. So is your company currently looking at any draft person, any estimator, any site engineer that maybe I could?
What's your skills like with drafting? There is potentially opportunities for drafting. Drafting is something that we struggle to come by.
Okay.
Just simply, our company is multifaceted. We're also quite a large development company as well.
Yeah.
So we do development and construction. So we look for construction site engineers, and we also do have a need for design engineers and whatnot too from time to time when someone's available. Are you currently located in Mackay? Are you or around?
I'm actually from Brisbane, but I'm looking to relocate to Mackay. So it'd be very great if I could even book up an appointment to meet you even for 5 minutes to.
So you're coming to Mackay regardless, are you?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I'm just blindly following my intuition. So I don't know what's going to wait for me, but why not?
Mackay is a pretty good place. I mean, there's always opportunities in Mackay, and I don't think that you'll be making a bad move by coming to Mackay.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'm particularly interested in anyone that's in the region that's in our field. Whether or not sometimes if we don't have an opening at the moment, doesn't mean we won't take someone. We might make an opening too if someone's in the region. So
yes, please. Yeah, that'd mean a lot to me. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you're coming to Mackay anyway, if you've got a CV, do you want to shoot it through to me?
100%, Daniel. I definitely can do that. So what is your best email address, please?
Give me through your CV.
Yeah.
So you've actually got engineering experience just in a different field, have you?
Yeah. So like I said to you, I've done a bit of everything too. I did a bit of project management in the past. I can help with the I know how to do AutoCAD pretty well. I'm also working on my 𝗕𝗢𝗣𝗅𝗍, like I said, software, just to brush up.
How do you go on 12? How are you with 12 years?
I haven't completed because I'm doing a short course on it. I'm learning both it on YouTube as well as some online courses. Really, I just want to make my skill relevant. I'm a quick learner. Really, if you show me the even just one time, I can quickly pick that up. So yeah, really just want to hopefully can introduce myself more, maybe even meet you and get a understanding.
And have you got any Australian work? Like, have you worked in Australia, or have you migrated here, or what?
Yeah. So good question. So I'm currently here on a temporary visa. It's a working visa. For nearly 2 years, and in the meantime, I'm also applying for my PR, and which is permanent residency, which is, I can expect to receive it in the next few months because luckily, civil engineer is in the shortage list. So it's really good to know that, and I just don't want to drive Uber like all my friends or working in odd jobs, and I really want to catch a break here to really get into the industry. I did a lot of projects when I was back in my country. I was from India. I did a design analysis of different engineering structure. Also did a project on I did design a college building back in my country. So I did about 3-4 different projects, both structural and civil related. So once I send you the resume, it might better explain. But I wouldn't say I'm like the most experienced person ever, but I just really I'm a really quick learner, so hopefully I might have a shot with your company. So that's why
well, look, I'm not going to I can't make any promises because that would be a discussion at a management
level. Of course.
Because we don't have any we don't currently have any vacancies per se because we've actually come off a couple of larger projects and but that's not to say that if your skill set fits, if we see an opportunity for your skill set that we wouldn't be open to opportunities. So, but when were you going to be in Mackay?
I'm looking at probably on early next week. So I'm looking at maybe either Monday or Tuesday because I'm looking at the houses there as well. So do you think we might be able to meet for 5-10 minutes, just even next Monday or
Tuesday?
That's
fine. If you want to, when you know your movements a little bit better, my calendar is actually pretty well available most of next week, I think. Let me check.
Maybe I can just fix the time now. Maybe how about next Tuesday? Would that be okay with you next Tuesday then?
Yeah, that'll be fine.
So that will be, let me see, next Tuesday that will be I think on the 8th of Feb. Yeah.
What time do you want to
maybe about 3 p.m. Is that okay?
Yep, okay.
Yeah. So
I'll put a note in my calendar right now for 3 p.m.
Yes, please. Yeah.
So what was your name? Dasa?
Yeah. Just call me Dasa. Yeah, that's my short name. If I tell you my full name, you won't be able to say it. Just D-A-S-A. Yeah. Literally just D-A-S-A. Dasa. Like NASA with a D.
Oh, I
Yeah, sure. So thank you so much for your time. Are you also a civil engineer then yourself too?
I am a civil engineer as well too. So yeah, I actually studied in Brisbane. So, but I'm with a family company and I work in our family company. So I'll back to Mackay eventually.
Oh, beautiful. So you this is your family business, am I right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Lovely to keep that tradition going.
Yeah. I've got me, and then I've got a couple of brothers that work in the business too. They're both civil engineers as well.
Wow, amazing. I'm so glad to talk to you. I mean, usually it's not that easy to talk to the owner of a business, so I feel very lucky.
I won't be honest. I'm not the owner. I've got I'm the next generation. So my father and my uncle still own the business.
Yeah. But at least someone in charge, someone involved. So.
Yeah.
This is really thankful. Thank you very much for your time.
Then you'll be able to find our office. Our address is it's on our website, but you should be able to find it pretty easily.
Next week, and I will email you now, and we can chat more once I met you. And in the meantime, if you or anyone from your team wants me to do some drawing, or you want me to display my skill sets, maybe even some drafting work, I love to do it in the meantime, just to give you an idea of where am I at in terms of my skill level. So
that's what's kind of ticking piquing my interest at the moment is when you've got drafting experience, because sometimes that's a skill set that we can be in short supply of, because a lot of engineers, particularly construction engineers, don't have an interest in doing that work. So it's a skill set that we sometimes struggle to fill.
I got you.
So sometimes that can be good for us too, to have someone in house who can, because we do a lot of highway construct, so we do obviously design for our subdivisions and whatnot. But we also do a lot of when we're doing highway work, we do a lot of temporary traffic management, and we need to do traffic layouts and staging plans and all that kind of stuff. And without having someone in that position, sometimes you can struggle, because then you got to go out to consultants and they charge a lot, and sometimes they're not very responsive. They'll put you in the waiting list, whereas if you've got someone who works in your company, you can say, no, that's a priority, drop everything else.
I got you. So what you're doing is you try to have someone in-house to help you with the drafting work to make your life easier. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly
Yeah. So hopefully we can do something, and yeah, no problem. We're talking with you, Damien. What's your last name, please? So I can also.
My last name is Costello.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sure. What a fun question. I got it. Thank you for your time, and I will email you shortly, and hope to see you next Tuesday. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Damien. You take care. Bye bye.